Gibson. Afternoon.
Afternoon, sir. How are you?
I'm doing alright. Could you tell me your name?
My name is Gibson.
Gibson.
Yes.
Yes. What can you tell me about your piece? What is its title?
Title is Moving Dark.
Moving Dark.
Yes.
And why did you entitle it Moving Dark?
Because I'm a fisherman. When I'm going every dam, I see some more dark seas. Then I still moving.
Okay.
Yes.
Anything else you'd like to add on?
Nothing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.